Nature is an enchanting tapestry of life that surrounds us, enveloping our senses with its boundless beauty and serenity. It is a source of awe-inspiring wonder that holds the power to captivate and rejuvenate our weary souls. In nature, we witness a symphony of colors, from the vibrant hues of blooming flowers to the rich palette of a sunset sky. The lush green of forests and meadows breathes life into the landscape, providing a soothing balm to our eyes. The delicate dance of sunlight filtering through the leaves of trees creates a play of light and shadows, casting a magical spell upon the world. The sounds of nature are a melody of tranquility. The gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, the melodic chirping of birds, and the soothing rush of a flowing river all orchestrate a symphony that transcends human understanding. Nature's soundscape is a reminder of the harmony that exists beyond the chaos of our everyday lives. The touch of nature is both gentle and invigorating. The softness of grass beneath our feet, the coolness of a flowing stream against our skin, and the warmth of the sun's rays on our face evoke a sense of connection and grounding. Nature's touch is a reminder of our place within the vast web of life. Moreover, nature's scents transport us to a realm of pure bliss. The fragrant blossoms that perfume the air, the earthy aroma of rain-soaked soil, and the invigorating scent of pine forests all evoke a sense of peace and tranquility. These natural fragrances have the power to uplift our spirits and awaken a deep sense of joy within us. Nature also teaches us valuable lessons about resilience, adaptability, and interdependence. We witness the cycles of life and death, the ebb and flow of seasons, and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Nature reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living beings and the importance of preserving and respecting our environment.